Remove the 15-inch channel section from the box and place horizontally to the top of the housing. Locate the 3-hole plate, 3 half-inch bolts, and 3 channel nuts with springs from the box and place the spring nuts in the channels. Take a 3/4 inch socket or wrench and secure the housing to the 15-inch channel using the pieces from the previous step. Place the trolley at the bottom of the housing with the lift logo facing up towards the housing. Connect the lift to power to release the safety pin from the end of the cable. Locate the controller and press the bottom of the black button to release the cable from the hoist. Only release about 6 inches of cable, or enough to connect the cable end to the trolley pinhole. Locate the small 1/4 inch pin and safety loop from the box and connect the cable end to the top end of the trolley. Try to keep the cable fairly tight at all times. Next, place the long piece of the channel near the hoist housing. Prepare to align the hoist housing channel and long channel end to end with the housing channel. Insert the trolley into the top end of the long channel, and while keeping the cable tight, slide the trolley down into the long channel about 1 foot from the housing. Locate the splice, 4 half-inch bolts, 4 channel nuts without springs out of the box, and assemble all together. Screw the channel nuts without the springs into the bolt threads, but only about 2 full turns. Place the splice equally over the 2 ends of the channel below the housing. Ensure that the channel nuts are aligned with the channel so that the splice lies flat on the front of the channel. Tighten all 4 bolts, ensuring that the channel nuts turn perpendicular to the channel and are behind the channel when tight. Once the bolts are tight, you should not be able to move the splice or the channels from each other. Place the 15-inch channel section horizontally at the bottom of the long channel. Locate the 3-hole plate, 3 half-inch bolts, and 3 channel nuts with springs from the box, and place the spring nuts in the channels. Take a 3/4 inch socket or wrench and assemble the housing to the 15-inch channel using the pieces from the previous step. Ensure all bolts and joints are tight.